In this video we're taking an honest look at BlueWallet so you know what to check before using it for your Bitcoin. BlueWallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you fully control your private keys which are stored locally on your device. It supports standard on-chain wallets, watch-only wallets, Lightning wallets, and even multi-sig setups for added security. One of its highlights is Lightning support, allowing fast, low-fee payments, and it also includes a plausible deniability feature, letting you create a decoy wallet for privacy. You have control over transaction fees, with options to speed up confirmations or adjust unconfirmed transactions using replace by fee or child pays for parent. Advanced users can connect BlueWallet to their own full node or integrate a hardware wallet in watch-only mode. However, there are trade-offs. It lacks two-factor authentication, only supports Bitcoin, no altcoins, NFTs, or DeFi, and some users report occasional bugs with Lightning payments or invoice generation. Security also depends heavily on keeping your device safe and your seed phrase offline. Support is limited to email and GitHub, with no 24/7 live help. Overall, BlueWallet is a powerful and flexible option for intermediate to advanced Bitcoin users who value self-custody and Lightning payments, but beginners should approach cautiously. For more honest crypto wallet reviews, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.